How to unlock wheels on GE refrigerator. If the wheels on your GE refrigerator are locked and you need to unlock them, follow these steps. Locate the adjustable feet. Depending on the model of your GE refrigerator, the adjustable feet or wheels are usually located at the front or rear of the appliance. They are often threaded and can be turned to adjust the height. Check for locking mechanism. Some GE refrigerators have a locking mechanism on the wheels to prevent unintentional movement. Look for a lever or button near the wheels that may be labeled as a lock. Unlock the wheels. If there is a locking mechanism, disengage it. This may involve pushing or turning a lever or pressing a button. Refer to your refrigerator's user manual if you are unsure about the location of the locking mechanism. Turn the adjustable feet. If your refrigerator has adjustable feet, use a wrench or pliers to turn them counterclockwise to lower the refrigerator and clockwise to raise it. This should unlock the wheels and allow the refrigerator to move freely. Test for movement. Once you have unlocked the wheels and adjusted the feet if necessary, gently try to move the refrigerator. If it moves easily, the wheels are unlocked, and you can reposition the refrigerator as needed. Secure the wheels. Optional, if you want to prevent the refrigerator from moving in the future, make sure to secure the wheels or feet in their desired position. This is particularly important if you have adjusted the height to level the refrigerator. Always refer to your specific refrigerator model's user manual for detailed instructions and to ensure that you are following the manufacturer's recommendations. If you don't have the manual, you can often find it on the manufacturer's website or contact GE customer support for assistance.